I never planned to make this video, but today I just felt like I should talk about this honestly, without any fancy word, without any script feeling. So, yeah, let's talk about my English journey. To be honest, English was never the reason I failed my entrance exam. That's not the truth. But English did something else. It affected my confidence, especially in college, in presentation, talking to teachers, and when someone spoke fluent English in front of me. I used to shrink from inside. Not because I didn't understand, but because I didn't feel confident enough to reply. I came from very simple family, Lucknow की एक normal सी गली. My father earns 10,000 rupees in a month and life always been basic. I studied in IUP board English medium school, but honestly, English medium सिर्फ नाम का था. I was a topper, but the moment English class started, I used to sit silently. I don't know why, but my confidence suddenly went down. It felt like English was something very far from me. Then college came. I pursued nursing. I'm a nursing student currently. New environment, new people, and more English. Presentation, viva, teacher, सब English में बोलते थे. And whenever I had to speak, my throat felt dry. My hand used to shake. I always worried. यार अगर मैं गलत बोल दूंगी तो टीचर जज कर देंगे, लोग क्या कहेंगे, फ्रेंड्स बेइज्जती हो जाएगी फ्रेंड्स के सामने, और पता नहीं क्या क्या मेरे दिमाग में आता था. This fear was real and it was heavy. One day after a presentation, I was literally upset with myself. Not because I didn't know the topic, I had studied everything, but still I could not express my thoughts properly in English. And that day I told myself, माही तू अपने आप को इतना छोटा क्यों फील करा रही है? This is just a language, not your value. That moment changed everything for me. I didn't do anything big. I didn't join coaching. I didn't buy expensive books. I just started small things. 10 simple English words daily, 10 minutes of speaking in the mirror, listening to easy English videos, practicing with AI because AI never judge. You people know that how comfortable is feel with AI. And trust me, in the beginning my English sounded so funny. Even I used to laugh at myself. But I kept going. Slowly, I felt the change. Earlier, whenever a teacher asked me something, I used to panic inside. Now I still get nervous sometimes, I won't lie. But I don't freeze like before. Because मुझे पता है I can speak, maybe not perfect, but enough. And that confidence, you feel it growing inside you, it's the best feeling. The biggest breakthrough when I realized I don't need perfect English to communicate, I need courage. And the day I spoke in English on camera, that day I genuinely felt proud because the girl who once feared English was now encouraging others. If you are like me, if English scares you, then listen, you can do it. Seriously, you can. Just start small. Learn 10 words daily, speak for 10 minutes, listen more than you read. Don't translate, think in English. Don't be scared of making mistakes. Practice with AI. If you have no one to talk, you can practice with AI. And most importantly, be consistent. You have to be consistent to learn English. बस यही फॉर्मूला है, सिंपल है बट पावरफुल है. मुझे पता है आप लोग ने बहुत सारे वीडियोस में ये देखा होगा, बट यही ट्रूथ है, आपको करना पड़ेगा और कोई तरीका नहीं है. कोई और आके आपको बताएगा नहीं कि अब तुम इंग्लिश बोलो, अब तुम इंग्लिश बोलो, अब तुम हिंदी क्यों बोल रहे हो. ऐसा नहीं होता है, करना ही पड़ेगा. देयर इज नो अदर वे. और आप लोग मुझे भी देख रहे होगे, मैं कोई फ्लुएंट नहीं हो गई हूँ, अभी भी सीख ही रही हूँ. बट स्टिल आई एम लर्निंग. आई विल लर्न एंड आई विल बी फ्लुएंट लाइक अ फ्लुएंट स्पीकर. Before ending this video, I want to say something honestly. Your English does not decide your value. Your confidence does. Your consistency does. Your courage does. If I, a simple girl from a simple family, can learn English slowly, then trust me, you can too. Thank you for listening to my honest journey. And tell me in the comment what scares you the most about English. I'll try my best to help.